In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix. If you're managing a website, particularly with Wix, you may find yourself needing to replicate existing pages to maintain consistency or speed up the development process. Whether it's a template for a blog, a product page, or any layout you've spent time perfecting, being able to duplicate pages can be a real time saver. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily achieve this in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you're already familiar with Wix, you know this is your go-to spot for making any changes or updates to your site. Once your Wix editor is open, you're just a few clicks away from duplicating the page. Next, take a look at the menu options on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a page icon which looks like a little rectangle with a folded corner. Clicking this icon will bring up a list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. It's like a bird's eye view of your site structure, giving you access to dive into any page you might want to work on. After you see the list of pages, go ahead and find the exact page you wish to duplicate. This could be any page that you frequently use as a base or one that you think could be a great starting point for new content. Once you've pinpointed your page, look for the three little dots next to the page name. Clicking on these dots will reveal a set of options tailored for that specific page. The option you're interested in is Duplicate. By selecting Duplicate, you effectively copy your page, including all its elements and layout, to a new page. This new duplicate can be renamed and worked on without affecting your original page. It gives you the flexibility to tweak or adjust without the fear of losing the original structure you've carefully crafted. And just like that, with a click you have successfully duplicated your page. This new page retains everything from your formatting to images and text, making it a handy feature for creating uniformity across your site or rapidly developing new sections. Being able to duplicate pages easily means you can spend more time focusing on what truly matters, the content and design creativity of your website, rather than recreating similar structures over and over. Feel free to go in and modify the copy or design elements as needed on your new page. That's all there is to it. By following this simple guide, you can efficiently manage your site content and streamline your editing workflow on Wix. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more time-saving tips and tricks to enhance your web building experience.